Hello everyone, welcome back to this series. So today we will look how for loop and while loop work in Python, the basic loops. Before going forward, if you have not subscribed to this channel, so please go and subscribe so that you can get the regular updates on latest topics. So let's look how for loop works. The basic purpose of for loop is to iterate over a sequence. Sequence is what? Sequence can be a string, it can be a list, it can be a tuple. Don't worry, we will cover list, tuple and all these sequences later on. So right now I am taking a string. A string is nothing but a sequence. A data type in Python, you can also call it a sequence. Sequence of characters. Kamal. Kamal. So this string Kamal is a sequence of small characters. We will use for loop to iterate over this sequence. Iterate over this sequence means take each character of this sequence and uh, perform some operation on that. Right now I am printing something. So let's look. The syntax of for loop in Python is like this: for in. Okay, two main keywords here: for in. For character in name, take the name. For each character in name, print character. Like this we are doing. For each character in Kamal, take the character, take this, like the first character is k, take this k, store it in character variable and then print this character variable. Again take the next character, store it in character variable, print the character. Again take the third character m, store it in character variable, print the character variable. In the similar way, in the last, take l character, store it in the character variable, then print the character. So like this we are iterating all over this sequence, that is a string. We are taking each character of this string and we are performing some operation, in this case the print one. Let's try to run this out. We can see here we are printing each character. The below output screen, we are printing each character of this sequence string. We are taking this string Kamal, each character is being taken out, assigned to the character variable. This character variable is printed. In this case first k is taken, k is printed, then a is taken, a is printed, then m is taken, m is printed. In the same way a and l are printed in each iteration of this for loop. So now let's move on to the next one, that is while loop. How while loop works in Python. To understand this, let's look at this with an example. I have taken two variables a and b. First of all, the purpose of while loop. While loop, as long as a condition is true, we need to perform some operation, then we use while loop. The moment the condition will get false, while loop will stop working. It will break. As long as the condition is true, perform some operation. So I have taken two variables, variable a, variable b. A has value 1, b has value 10. So what I am doing here, while a is less than equal to b, while this a, while 1 is less than equals to 10, if it becomes true, then perform this task which I have written inside while. If it is false, then break out of this. So let's try to understand this step by step. First, initially a is 1 and b is 10. While a is initially 1, so while 1 is less than equals to b, b is initially 10. While 1 is less than equal to 10, so obviously 1 is less than 10, so it will become true. So it will go inside and print a is 1. Okay, so now it will increase a by 1. Now a is 2. In the same way, now a is 2, b will be 10. Okay, so now a is 2, so 2 is less than b, 2 is less than 10, so it will print now 2. Now a will become 3, means a is increasing by 1 in each iteration and it's comparing with b. B is constant, is 10, it is not changing, but a is increasing in each iteration. As long as a becomes 10, it will break out. So means it will print 1 to 10 values. Let's try to run this out. You can see it is printing 1 to 10 value in the same way. So we use while loop as long as a condition is true and we want to perform some operation. So we use while loop. The moment the condition becomes false, the condition becomes false, while loop will break out. So hope you are clear with while and for loop Python. If you have any doubts, please leave in comments.